and thanks for joining me here on my channel today and for watching this video. So today we're going to be looking at some of the new Google Meet features, and in particular looking at the breakout rooms. This is already a great feature of Google Meet, but there's been an addition to it, which is a timer on the breakout rooms. So I'm going to show you how to activate that today and why I think that's really useful. But before I go any further, I think it's worth noting this is only for G Suite or Google Workspace for Enterprise Edition accounts or domains, rather than the basic Google for Education or G Suite for Education domains. So I'm really sorry if you're on those plans, but this video isn't for you just now. So to activate the breakout rooms, what you need to do from the host or teacher's account is go to the Activities tab up here next to your clock. Once you click on this, you'll see three options: breakout rooms, polls, and Q&A. So I'm going to click on breakout rooms at the top here. Now you'll see I've got the participants in the call at the moment. So there's three of us here at the moment, which are myself as a teacher, and two of my other accounts just for demonstration purposes. And you'll see I have the option at the top for set up breakout rooms. So I'm going to click on the set up breakout rooms. Now you'll see a list of options appear here. So Google's AI has already split up the participants into breakout rooms here already for me, but I don't quite like the way this is done. So I'm just going to click the clear button up here in the top right. So if for whatever reason it does automatically assign students and you don't want it that way, you can very simply clear it by clicking the clear button up here, which is indicated with the cross icon. Now, I could also drag particular participants into rooms by clicking on their name and just dropping them into a particular breakout room. Or if I didn't want to do that and I didn't want to have any bias, I could let Google's AI do it for me automatically. So if you're working in groups or you want to assign students to work in groups, but you don't want any bias from yourself and you don't want students picking their own groups, we're going to pick completely random groups. Click this little shuffle button up here. This will drop people into random breakout rooms, and then they can work with those groups in those breakout rooms. Now, this is a great feature, particularly if you've got students that are working on maybe project-based learning, or you want them to work on a particular presentation together. It might be that you want them to focus on a certain aspect of a topic, and your different breakout rooms will then come together to present a big presentation. This is a great way of doing it in Google Meet. So, this is really powerful, and I really want to show you the benefits of this. But you don't just have to have two breakout rooms. You could have more than two if you want to. By just clicking on this little up or down arrow here, you can create more breakout rooms as you go through. And if you don't want as many, you can, again, lessen it by clicking the down arrow here. Now, the new feature I was talking about was the new timer in breakout rooms. So you can set students a time limit on the tasks they have in those particular breakout rooms. So I'm going to click on timer here, and you can see it says end breakout rooms after a set amount of time. So for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to make it 3 minutes because I don't want to waste any more of your time. But I just want to show you how the student will see it being prompted to go into a room and how to return to the normal room, and how the teacher can join those breakout rooms individually as well. So I'm going to set the timer here for 3 minutes and click OK. Now, what I'm going to do here is click Open Rooms. What this will do at this point is prompt students to join their breakout rooms. So I'm going to click Open Rooms here, and you'll see it says breakout rooms are in session, ending in 3 minutes. So it gives the teacher an indication of when those breakout rooms are going to end. So I'm going to go into these other accounts now just to join the breakout rooms and show you what they'd see as a student or participant. So it says here, you've been invited to join breakout 1. You can return to the main call at any time. So I'm going to click join. And what this will do, this will open up a separate Google Meet, in effect its own Google Meet, or a subcontracted Google Meet from the original. So I'm going to join both of these as students. So you can see here, it says in breakout room 2, ending in 3 minutes. So I can ask for help or return to the main call from here. So if I click ask for help in breakout room 2, ask for help. So it now says cancel request for help. Now, if I go back to the host account here, you'll see that I can join either of these rooms very quickly and simply by clicking join. And it also says here that I've asked for help in this room. So I'm going to click join in this room so I can go in and help these students. So I'm going to join this particular breakout room. And you'll see I go into the breakout room 2 here with this particular student. Now, if I need to go back to the other room, I can click leave. I'll leave this breakout room and I'll return to the main room, the initial room that we all started in together. So you can see I can hop into each individual breakout room very simply by going to the breakout rooms and clicking join. Now, for whatever reason, if I wanted to leave, close all the breakout rooms early, or return all students back to the call, I can click close rooms from here in the breakout room. So if you don't know how to get to that, go back to your activity tab here, back to breakout rooms, and I can actually close the rooms at any point that I want to. I don't have to have it end at a certain time. So I'm going to click close rooms here. And everyone will be asked to return to the main call in 30 seconds. So I'm going to click close all rooms. Okay, so this will now give me an indication that's saying breakout rooms ending in 25 seconds. I'll do a countdown from 30 seconds. So from the other accounts, they'll also get this message saying the breakout room is ending and to return to the main call. Now, if they don't click return to main call here and we let the timer run out, it will prompt students to return back to the main call anyway. It'll say this Google Meet is closed. Please return back to the original call. So I'm just going to let that timer run out just to show you how that works. So it says breakout room has ended, return to the main call. So I'm going to click return to main call on both of my accounts. And that will join back into the original Google Meet that we were in the first time round. So I'm just joining as a participant here. And I'll go back to my host account. And you can see now everyone is back inside the initial Google Meet. And I can also set up another breakout room from this point if I decide I need further time or need more. If I want to set them on another task, I can set up another breakout room and send them straight there. So this is looking at the breakout rooms, how to operate them from a teacher or a host perspective, and how to add the timers to that breakout room as well to bring students back after a certain amount of time. And I've shown you both the teacher or host point of view and the student's point of view as well. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment if you're using this with students already. Let me know how they're getting on, how you like it as a teacher. If you want to see me do any particular videos, please also let me know there as well. And check out my community page on YouTube, as I've just hit my 1,000 subscribers. So it'd be great to chat with you all on my community page there. In the meantime, please share this with anyone that might find this useful, friends, colleagues, anyone that might find it useful. And I'll see you next time. Take care.